So you know the React theory, but turning it into a real product, that's the tricky part.
Yeah, a lot of developers get stuck right here. Let's break down why that is.
It's this classic hurdle, right? Going from concepts to a polished, deployable app.
Well, the FoodLand project was designed to solve these exact problems.
So meet FoodLand. It's a clean, practical, and reusable foundation for your own projects.
Now what's really interesting is how it's all put together. Let's peek under the hood.
It uses a really modern, standard tech stack, perfect for this kind of landing page.
And organization is just crucial. A good folder structure makes everything so much easier.
See, everything has its place. This makes the code way more intuitive to work with.
So with a solid blueprint, you get a real functional product. Let's see it.
The final app has all the essentials, from being fully responsive to being live online.
Okay, but what's the real point? Why should you care? Because this isn't just for practice. You could literally use this to launch a business or just seriously beef up your portfolio.
And a great foundation is meant to evolve, right? This project is built to grow. You could totally scale this into a full-stack app with logins, search, the whole shebang. So, think of this project as your launch pad. Now, what are you going to build next?